Hi, I'm Aaron Dad with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Carex plant. There's a lot of, it's a grass actually, what we consider a grass. There's a lot of varieties of this one. It comes in golds, a variegated striped one like this. This is the Everillo one. And it gets to be, it's so low maintenance, it's done great. It does great in this deep shade. I mean, it's underneath this, this large elephant ear plant here, and it only gets morning sun. Very low maintenance to this guy. It's evergreen unless we get a really hard freeze, but it'll come back if you just trim it back to the ground. Very few insects or diseases with this guy, but it adds a really neat color and texture to your landscape. It's great for fillers to really add some excitement in there. And also help keep down the weeds if you plant a lot of these lower variety plants within your landscape, which is what we like to do to add that color and texture. And this guy here will get to be about 18 inches or so across, 15, 18 inches tall. So it'll really kind of fill up a nice little spot. Evergreen, low maintenance plant. Have fun with it and do something exciting. Thank you.